Number 238 of 1001 solved problems in engineering mathematics. So tungkol pa rin tayo sa geometric progression. So sum of geometric progression. The sum of the first 10 terms of a geometric progression 2, 4, 8, ... is 1023, 2046, 225, or 1596. Okay, so try nyo munang sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so let's start. So ang hinahanap natin ay sum of the first 10 terms of geometric progression. So yung geometric progression natin, madali lang makita yung common ratio nito. By inspection lang, yung 2 naging 4, tapos yung 4 naging 8. So napakalinaw na minultiply lang sa 2. Okay? So ang common ratio natin dito ay equal sa 2. Tapos ang a sub 1 natin, first term ay 2. Okay? So ano ba ang formula na ginagamit natin para sa sum of geometric progression? So ito ang formula na gagamitin natin. S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1 all over r minus 1. So a sub 1 is the first term, r is the ratio, n is common ratio, and n is the number of terms. So yung n natin dito, meron tayong first 10 terms, so n natin is equal to 10. Okay, so substitute lang natin directly sa formula. So first 10 terms, so therefore S sub 10 equals first term natin, or lagay muna natin yung mga formula natin. So a sub 1, palitan muna natin yung r natin. R to the, yung n ay 10. Okay, so r to the 10 minus 1 over r minus 1. Okay, then palitan na natin yung mga given natin. So S sub 10, sum ng first 10 terms, a sub 1 is 2. And then we have r, the value of r is 2 to the 10th power minus 1 over r again is 2 minus 1. Okay, so simplify natin. Itong denominator natin, 2 minus 1, magiging 1 na lang. Okay? So magiging 1 na lang itong denominator, pwede nang hindi isulat. So therefore, we have 2 times 2 to the 10th power minus 1. Okay, so calculator na lang natin ito. Okay, so itong calculator natin. So 2 to the 10th power minus 1. So unahin ko itong nasa loob. Okay, so kasi itong basic lang itong calculator ko. Basic na scientific calculator. So unahin ko itong 2 to the 10th power. So press ko lang yung 2. Exponent tayo. So itong x to the y. Ayan. 2 to the 10th power. Press ko na itong equal sign. Okay, so nasa 2 to the 10th power pa lang tayo, and then subtract ako ng 1. Subtract ng 1, so 1023, and then multiply ko sa 2, so times 2, so therefore, the answer is 2046, which is letter B. Okay? Sagot natin ay 2046, letter B. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching, at kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod pang mga engineering mathematics. So kung ito ang first time nyo, ay huwag nyo kakalimutang mag-subscribe, at kung meron kayong math question, i-comment nyo lang po dito sa aking channel or PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. So good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.